Today, we're diving into the world of small kitchen design ideas. Whether you're dealing with limited square footage or just looking to maximize functionality, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Optimizing storage. One of the biggest challenges in small kitchen design is storage, but fear not. From utilizing vertical space with wall-mounted shelves to installing pull-out drawers and lazy Susans in cabinets, there are countless ways to optimize storage in your compact kitchen. By making the most of every nook and cranny, you'll free up valuable counter space and keep your kitchen organized and efficient. Multifunctional furniture. In a small kitchen, every piece of furniture needs to pull double duty. That's where multifunctional furniture comes in. Consider investing in a kitchen island with built-in storage or a fold-down table that can be tucked away when not in use. These versatile pieces will provide extra workspace and seating without taking up precious square footage, perfect for cooking, dining, and entertaining in a small space. Light and color. Lighting and color play a crucial role in small kitchen design. Opt for bright, neutral colors like white or pale gray to make the space feel larger and more open. Incorporating ample lighting, including under-cabinet lights and pendant fixtures, can also help brighten up the room and create a welcoming atmosphere. By strategically using color and light, you can transform even the tiniest kitchen into a stylish and inviting space. Smart appliances. When it comes to small kitchen design, every inch of counter space counts. That's why investing in smart appliances can make a world of difference. From slimline refrigerators and compact dishwashers to space-saving microwaves and coffee makers, there's a wide range of appliances designed specifically for small kitchens. Not only do these appliances help maximize space, but many are also energy efficient, helping you save money and reduce your carbon footprint. Personalization and decor. Finally, don't forget to add your personal touch to your small kitchen design. Whether it's hanging artwork, adding a splash of greenery with indoor plants, or incorporating decorative accents like colorful rugs or patterned curtains, these little touches can make a big impact. Not only will they help express your unique style, but they'll also create a warm and inviting atmosphere that you'll love spending time in. Here are 3 additional tips to enhance your small kitchen design. Utilize wall space. Don't overlook the potential of your kitchen walls. Install wall-mounted racks, hooks, and magnetic strips to free up valuable drawer and cabinet space. His clever utilization of vertical space not only keeps frequently used items within easy reach, but also adds a decorative element to your kitchen. Consider hanging pots, pans, and utensils as both functional storage and eye-catching decor, adding personality and charm to your space. And there you have it, 6 minutes of small kitchen design inspiration. With the right storage solutions, multifunctional furniture, lighting and color choices, smart appliances, and personalized decor, you can create a stylish and functional kitchen, no matter how limited your space may be. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks for small space living. Until next time, happy designing!